I'm Sarah, and I'm here to show you a video on magnetic eyelashes. I tried once, I'm not gonna lie, I tried once to put them on, and I'm not too sure if I did that great of a job. I'm really bad at doing the eyeliners on the tops of the eyes. So, this is what I got. So it is, I think it's Airy Shine. I got these off of Amazon. So it says 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliner, 5 pairs of magnetic eyelashes, 1 eyelash applicator. So it's like a little tool. I'll show you. Ooh, pretty. These are the eyeliners, and there's the lashes, and there's the little tool. So with the tool, see? My nails are atrocious right now because obviously with everything going on, they're super grown out, but I just, I trimmed them a little bit, but I'm impressed. So I don't want to go crazy because, I mean, these long ones here, I have no idea what those are for. Like, I don't know, Cinco de Mayo or Fantasy Fest in, you know, South Florida. So I'm probably going to go with the smaller ones. Okay, so this packaging is pretty good. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. It's like a little brush. Ooh. I finally got a light. You want to see? Watch. Off. Ah! On. Yay! Now we can see. Okay. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so nervous right now with this because of, I don't know. I'm so scared. It's going to be so messy. This is the second time I'm doing this. Okay. So, I did put makeup on. Oh, I shouldn't have done mascara. Find out how these things work. Okay. So I have that mascara on. And the directions said, basically it said, put the mascara on and then put the lash on it. I didn't know if I should let it dry, but it didn't specify. So, I'm going to pick up the lash. Oh, geez Louise. There we go. See? Whoop. But I think I have to turn this little guy around. There's tiny little magnet bars across it. Okay. Does it look right? Let's see. Well, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. Some of that stuff got on me. Oh, man. And that does not come off very easily. And that side's not sticking very good. So it might be better. You see how it's not sticking? So I might have to get some more eyeliner. I don't know. Maybe that's a little better. And then I could probably take, see? I don't know. It's definitely doable because I'm not good at mascara at all, or eyeliner. So the fact that I can, I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Should I do the other side? The thing is, this is magnetic too. So it sticks to this sometimes because the magnets on here want to stick to this. So I think I just have to put more eyeliner in that corner maybe. All right, let's try the other side. This is my weak side. Okay. All right, you ready? Learning from the other one, I'm just going to do a little heavier in that corner. Okay. Not too bad. It could be worse. All right. What's nice is it comes with 2 bottles of the eyeliner, so that helps. Okay, I got my little handy tool. Now when you put, I don't even know if I want the tool. Let's try it without it. You gotta be real careful because this stuff is messy. And you don't want to mess up that eyeliner because it's on. When it's on, it's on. This one feels a little bit more uncomfortable. But I feel like with enough practice, these could be pretty sweet. Now maybe I should have gone more in the corners with it because this, I feel like these corners don't stick very well. Oh no, now it's gonna smudge. Yeah, you see how that looks kind of weird, doesn't it? But I'm afraid if I move it anymore, I'm gonna have eyeliners all smudgy. Yeah, maybe I just need to put a little bit heavier in the corners. Or just drag it over, or maybe just put the eyeliner. But I feel like if I put it further over, I like having, you know, this longer over here. So maybe just doing a little bit more eyeliner there to kind of blend it a little bit. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. All right, let's see. Oh, wish me luck. Press that down more. My dog, oh, see? That side looks a little better. And then once it dries, I can kind of blend it more. See, it kind of smudges a little. But it's definitely better if I just, once that's, like, maybe I shouldn't let it dry, but if I can just tweak that and just blend it in maybe. I can even take some shadow or... So that's my magnetic lashes. I don't know. I don't know. Do I look fabulous? Do I need to go get dressed? I did put some earrings on for you guys. I never do my hair and makeup anymore because I'm stuck in the house. So, but again, this is what it is. Ari Shine. I got it on Amazon. And the fact that they come with a bunch of different lashes is awesome. That's a huge plus. And they have 2 eyeliners, which is great. So it'll last you a while. And then what I don't like is that the mascara or the eyeliner does not come off very well. It is, once it's on there, it's like glue to your skin. But I mean, if you're wearing lashes, that's what you want. But at the same time, if you're not very good with eyeliner, like myself, I mean, I did okay. But you're going to want to wipe it off. Like I think, you know, you can see where it's kind of smudgy a little bit. But I think that it's not bad. I don't think anyone's going to be like, oh my gosh. Like if I'm just going out, like, I don't know, to have a drink with friends or something, which I never do. And who knows when we're going to be able to do that. But anyway, I just don't like the fact that it's super wet and then dries really fast and gets really sticky. But when it's wet and you're trying to work with it, I feel like it gets everywhere. Today was good. This is my second time doing it, and I'm impressed that I did this well. So I hope this was useful. I had a few friends ask me if I could post something about the magnetic eyelashes. So you're welcome. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you when this is all over. Love you.